guys doing today? I hope everyone doing good. Today I'm going to making fried wonton, guys. I'm using the ground chicken, and this is wonton ripple. And now I'm going to seasoning the chicken first. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of garlic, half teaspoon coriander, half teaspoon beef flavor, half teaspoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, half teaspoon turmeric. Going to mix it, guys. Mix it well first. And this is rice noodle, guys. I'm going to mix it all the rice noodle on the chicken. I'm going to put all of them. Going to mix it well first, guys. I'm going to add half teaspoon cover lime leaf, guys. Mix it well first. I'm going to use 1 egg, guys, but not the yellow one. I use only the white egg. Going to take off all the white egg. Mix it a little bit. Now I'm going to take 1 piece of wonton wrapper. I'm going to put the chicken in the middle, guys. I put like 2 spoons on it. And now smear all over with the white egg, guys. And now I'm going to wrap it up, guys. Okay, just like that, guys. Now I'm going to do the second one. I'm going to do the same thing like the first one. Just like that, guys. Okay, all done, guys. Now I'm going to fry it. I'm using low heat. I'm going to put some oil. And now I'm going to fry all of them, guys. I'm going to flip it all of them. Wait a little bit more, guys. I'm going to flip it one more time. Flip it all of them. Almost done, guys. Okay, all done, guys. I fry all of them, guys. And I'm going to eat with the sweet chili sauce. And this one, the extra hot one. Going to try first right now. Very crispy, guys. Really good. If you like my video, please subscribe me so you can watch my new cooking video twice a week, every Monday and Friday. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next Friday. Okay, thank you guys. Have a good night. Bye, guys.